Hello everyone. Let us see what happened to the stocks which we planned for today, and also we'll see what happened to the indices, and we'll also plan for tomorrow. So first let us take a look on the stocks which we planned today. So these were the stocks which we planned. Uh, so these two weekly incomes, they were like from yesterday and day before yesterday, they didn't give us any entry. We added like two more monthly income trades. Basically, when we plan monthly income, we may have to wait for few days or even weeks for the entry. But whenever you get entry, you can happily enter the trade. You can hold it for short term, maybe for few weeks or even months to get some nice profit. And for intraday, we planned all these four stocks. Out of these four, uh, we got entry in Trent and Siemens. It straight away broke the supply. So there was no entry in this, and there was no entry in both Power Grid and Dauber. So first, let me show you the trend. Let me open this script. So it gave us the entry. On closing basis, we maintained this stop loss and it was continuously basing over there. So I asked you to come out at the buy cost. So it gave the entry, but this is a no loss, no profit trade as we exit at the buy cost itself. And coming to Siemens, there is no entry in this one as well because this is called open low stock. Wherever it opened, that is the low, and straight candle it cut off through the supply area. So there is no trade in this one as well. And we didn't get any entry in other stocks. So now we can let me straightly jump into the indices. So on indices, let me show you the 15-minute chart. So this is something on 5 minutes, there were some levels, but on 15 minutes, the levels were like more clear. So this is what I have given you on Telegram about the level. So if you see above this supply, we thought like it can go till to the above supply area. As expected, above this supply, it went to the second supply area, and from there it started falling. And during the day when the price reached this area, this is where I asked you to, I alerted everyone like the price is reaching the supply area, and you can see exactly from that area it came back to the previous high as well as the earlier supply, which turned into support. So if you blindly followed this level, definitely should have made some money in Nifty trade. And now let me show you the Fin Nifty. We did a lot of trading in Fin Nifty today. So let me go back to the Fin Nifty chart. Let me show you the 5-minute chart. So if anyone remember, yesterday I was talking about this W pattern, and you can see it right now. So yesterday we were talking about this W pattern. Like once it break this level, we thought like it can go till this level. And this is what happened today. Now, how we traded in Fin Nifty today. So let me show you. We tried couple of things today. So when it came to the first supply area, after seeing some indecisive candle, and when the price went like little bit up, we tried some put. So the plan today was morning, all the option prices will be volatile. So I asked like, to book small profits here. If you entered here, we entered some put here, I believe. So if you see, I alerted everyone like, in Nifty, when it reached the supply area, this is what I have given in Nifty. It can come till this target as shown in the earlier chart. It has reached the target. After that, we entered some puts, and the reason we entered is like, we have seen some indecisive candle at supply zone, and we expected like price can come down. So we entered some put. It gave some profit. There will be like, too much of inflation in the options in the early morning. So when it came here, it was just giving like 10-12 points profit, something like that. So I asked to book some profit and to maintain SL above this level. And later, let's say what happened. So we have seen some reaction in Fin Nifty, and we thought like to go long in Fin Nifty once it break this area. Again, here we entered long. I thought like in the second demand zone, it can go a little bit deeper. So entering some call should give some profit, but the ride was not smooth. It was like, it was basing a lot, and it gave just like 10-15 points profit here. So here again, the plan was to trail SL to the buy cost or to exit. And if you remember, level below, level above level, and the price reached the second supply area. So, and even if you remember yesterday, we thought like, once it go above this, it can go till there. As expected, it went there. And from the second supply, we should have entered some puts here, but as the Nifty was so strong, I was not that confident, like, to enter put here. So we waited little bit. We waited. We wanted the price to come here. When the price was here, this is where we planned some put. When the price is basing here a lot, I believe this is where we plan some put. So I can show you the same thing on Telegram. So we entered, this is what I was showing there. When the, okay, let me remove this supply area to be more clear. So the plan was to enter a put here like 18 rupees or something. It was basing a lot. If we touch this support again and again, what will happen? This is going to break and the break will be very sharp. See, I asked like for safe players to enter below this line, but with my experience, after basing for such a long time, if it break, it don't even give you chance to enter the put. That is the reason I entered. Anyways, it is Nifty expiry. The premiums won't cost you much. It was just 18 rupees. So as a hero zero, I entered little early. If it was like normal trade, I will definitely wait for it to break this level and then I will enter. But here I went little aggressive. I just tried it and see what happened. From there, in this fall itself, when the price came here till this area, I mean, even in the first candle itself, the 18 rupees put, it went like till 60 rupees. So we were able to manage to come out around 45, 48 rupees, something like that. Basically, what happens in the fear, the prices will increase more than what it is supposed to increase. That is the reason always good to book profit in the first bullish or bearish candle itself. If you are on puts, we have to exit on the bearish candle. And then what happens if the price start basing around here? Now again, people don't get afraid. They may think like there is a chance it can go up or something like that. So if you remember again for this price, like here it gave almost like 60 rupees in this red candle itself. Once it started bouncing, basing, it came back to 30 change. And even at the blow of this candle also, it was hardly giving you 60 rupees again. So it is always good to book some nice profits when people are getting afraid like about fall or rise in the market. And let's see what happens. So if you see, we also have this double confirmation. When you look at the option chain data of Nifty, what is Nifty showing? There is like huge call rating around 20,200. What it means, all the call writers are sitting here. They don't want the market to go above 20,200. And where is this? This is exactly at the supply area. So there is double confirmation, like there is a less chance market can go up. And also remember, whenever in such narrow possibility, by any chance, if market go above this level, the rally will be so strong because all these call writers will be in trouble. They will start squaring off their position. That is how the price will run like anything. So anyways, this is like double confirmation for our entry. So I went like bit aggressive here without waiting for the breakdown. As expected, price came down very nicely. And what we planned is like, at least it can come and fill this gap area. As expected, it came and filled the gap area and we have seen small bounce over there. And I didn't plan any trade in this level. See, for me, in order to go put again, I want some clear trade. Where I'll get the clear trade? Below this 20,000 level. Because I don't know from where it will react. Maybe the buyers can come again from this low, maybe anywhere in this range. So we waited for it to go below. And if you remember here, we entered one more put around 7, 8 rupees. So that was the second jackpot trade which we entered today. So it filled the gap. We didn't. So as I said here, the fresh put will be only below 20,000. When it came like very much close to this level, this is where we took chance. As I said again, we can wait for the confirmation entry. but today is Nifty expiry, that too it is like 230. All you can lose is just like 7-8 rupees. So what is there that you lose more than 7-8 rupees? That is the reason I asked you to enter around 7-8 rupees. And this 7-8 rupees, it went to 16 rupees for like couple of times, and then see what happened. And then later, at least I myself booked everything around 27, 28 rupees. Later it went like, more than 50 rupees. So that is what happened in FinNifty. And Bank Nifty, we didn't plan anything in Bank Nifty because there were like some big ranges in Bank Nifty. It was a bit riskier to enter any trade in Bank Nifty. So I didn't enter any trade in Bank Nifty. So with all this, now we'll quickly see what will be the levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. So as it is FinNifty expiry today, my focus was more on FinNifty because I'll get all the puts or calls, whatever, at very low premiums. And tomorrow and after tomorrow, my focus will be mostly on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And FinNifty, again, we'll start looking at probably from Friday, where there'll be some theta decay, all the premiums will get eroded by then. So for tomorrow in Nifty, to go long, you need to wait for it to go above all-time high around 19,500. Wait for it. If you see price going, sustaining above 19,500, 520 level, that is where we look to go long. And we'll see where the market will open. If it opens somewhere here, and if it come to this 19,430 area, and if you see the upward move, that is where we look to go long. We want some confirmation entry here. If it go below 19,420 area, or I want it to go below 19,400, this will be kind of trap. Below this demand area, I can't simply short it, because if you see, this is like current day low, as well as there is some swing high before. So maybe price can reverse from this. This is also again round figure 19,400. Maybe price can go up from this level. So I'll enter short only if I see price below this, sustaining below this level, 19,400. And first hurdle while going down will be just like 50 points, 19,680, like just like 40, 50 points. This is where we have this gap area. Maybe market can start bouncing again from this level. So we need to keep a look on this level. Below 19,450, we look to short for this target, just like 40 points. And to go fresh puts again, if you see, this was like, area where price took support multiple times. Again, below 19,300 or below 19,320 level, if you see price going below, we'll look to go short, and our target will be this gap area. Where is the gap area? 19,200. So 19,200 will be our target. So I'll repeat it one more time. To go long, we want the price to go and sustain above 19,500. During the day, if it comes close to 19,500, and if you see any indices candle, that is where we short with the SL above supply area. And to go short, we want the price to go below 19,400 as well. Either if the price go here, this is where we look to go short, or if the price starts coming down below this level, 19,400, we look to short for just like 40, 50 points. And below 19,320, we look to short for the target of 19,200. So that is the plan in Nifty. Now let me go back to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, as planned, will stick to this level. If the price come and sustain around 44,600, this is like what we planned yesterday. It didn't give any entry. We'll stick to the same plan. If the price come and give us entry around 44,600, we want some confirmation entry in Bank Nifty, because I'm not like too much confident about this level. So only if the price come here, if it make any indices candle, then if you see any pullback from that area, that is where we enter long. And to go short, definitely I'll look to go short. See, I'll give more weight to this short if it first go to this demand area, if it give entry, and then if it come back to 44,900, this is where I look to go short in 5 minutes with this small 30 points stop loss. So that is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. We don't have to plan anything on Fin Nifty because the premiums will be more tomorrow. So I'll better stick to Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow and after tomorrow. Coming to the stocks, I'll post the stock levels in our Telegram channel, and we'll discuss them tomorrow evening. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch up again tomorrow.